Good afternoon, girls. You guys, how are you today? It's Saturday, the 13th, and I can't believe it. It's actually Saturday, and it's 13 days of Benedict Toast. So let's get with it. For the day. So got wipes. So today, my mum went to get my sister. Jacob and Adam gonna help my dad for fixing Gal's reef, and my mum's doing stairs. So yeah. And I'm doing the thing upstairs. Most of times. So, yeah. And I'm probably going out tomorrow night, I think. Don't know what I'm doing yet. But Michael Rawlings told me last night that, to go out for tea with him tomorrow night. So, about 6 o'clock. So, I don't know what I'm doing yet. So, yeah. So, I got a busy week this week. So, yeah. Yeah, I can't believe, actually, it's 13 days to go to Bendrick. I can't wait. I'm using this one now, and hopefully I'm not getting too much of foundation, because too much orangey colour, so just to put it on there. Too much orangey colour, but it's fine. But all the spots, my entire blemishes. So this weekend I got planned. Basically, I'm going to straight a hairdresser's today. Not today, but on Monday. Because I'm working with Morag this Monday, and then Live Steps, and then go to Girls Brigade, and on Tuesday I've got work. Wednesday got Friends Club. Thursday got work, and Friday swimming. So, yeah. So I can't wait. And then go to Benedict Trust week after 2 weeks today. So I can't wait. So yeah. I'm going to Benedict Trust first, and then going to Salou in Spain in October. So I can't wait. And I come to LS6 on Sunday. So I just can't wait to go there. So yeah. So do my eyebrows first, and then do my blusher. And I got a bunch already, so and my highlights, so I'm just use them today. Carlisle's playing today, about 3 o'clock. And then Liverpool's playing tomorrow night, so I can't wait. About 8 o'clock. So yeah, I had a lie-in today. Got up, got dressed, went to the bathroom, went downstairs, had some dinner. So yeah, so I'm using this brusher right now, brush stick. So I'm gonna get too much on. So I'm actually using this brush, my brusher. So yeah, and then do my bronzer with this brush, and then do my highlights on top of it. So using this bronzer. So it's actually underneath. So that's done. And then do my highlighter. Highlighter is this one here. So it's like a pressed powder one. And then using this highlighter. And then I'm using this big brush to roll all that up. Okay, so that's done. Right, next do my eyelashes next, but first what to do my eyeshadow first. So do my eyeshadow first, and then do my eyelashes, and then have my drink, and then just do my lips next. So yeah. So do my eyeshadow first, and then do my eyelashes next. And then last but not least, my lips. So today, I think I have on this purple on here today. And then after that, Mum just got back. So do on top first, and then do underneath, and then do my lashes, and have my drink. Not too much. I'm gonna do underneath. So put black underneath. So I can't wait for my holiday. 2 holidays. Number 2. Benefit Trust and Salou in Spain. Salou, sorry. Salou. Or Salou. So, yeah. Right, next do my eyelashes. Just have to do my drink first, and then do my eyelashes next. And then I do my hammer first, and I do my mascara on my eyes, and then do my last not least my lips. So I just can't wait. Oh, not much better now, isn't it? my like that foundation just had on. It's really good. And to blend in as well. Alright, mascara time. So I'm using this mascara. So I'm not get too much in. I am in a Gazette. This one Gazette. It's second page. Because we are in Richmond Gazette. And that's the second page. I'm not actually fucking joking. We actually in the Gazette on the second page. At Live Stairs from Friends. I'm not actually joking. I'm not actually fucking joking. I just told my dad about it and I told mum about it. So I'm not actually fucking joking. It's Mayor Richard. Put all of us in. The Gazette. So that's why we're not actually fucking joking. It's raining already again. So yeah. So I'm not actually fucking joking. My hair looks perfect. Paul, Adam and Jason, my dad is actually outside helping him for our new grocery farm. So, yeah. So, yeah. So, today I'm doing my diary first, and then two looks today, and then washing colour. So, yeah. But I am putting this on now. So, yeah. Oh, wow. My lips actually is getting bigger now. And my friend Thursday is coming again this Wednesday to watch Wednesday's Addams Out Now. Me and Fraser are gonna watch a new movie called Wednesday Addams is out now. So yeah, now sorry. Me and Fraser are gonna watch my Fraser is gonna come to my house on Wednesday, and we are going to watch a new version of Wednesday Addams. So it's out now, and me and Fraser are gonna watch it. So yeah. And I thought that should happen. So yeah. My lips are perfect. That's better, isn't it? Alright, get my hair down now. Tie your hair down. Yeah, so my brother and his friend Jacob actually going to help my dad doing new garage roof on. My mum's doing the stairs. So yeah. And it's leaving party on the I don't put that down. His leaving party is for Gretel, basically. That's a nice church. And that's a theme party. So I'm gonna ask my mum to help me to dress as West Adams, I think. I don't know. So yeah. It's a 60s one. So I'm gonna have a look. Write it down. So yeah. So if you guys want to watch this again, please like, comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video, and please keep subscribing. Keep on pressing subscribers. I've got 458 subscribers now, so keep on pressing it. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm Anna Mason. Peace out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Bye guys. Thank you.